In Industry 4.0, data is the new oil. Therefore, manufacturing companies capture enormous amounts of data. However, many struggle to transform their data in actionable insights. One reason is that the data comes in different forms, from different systems, is stored in different data silos, and requires technical knowledge to retrieve. A second challenge is that, next to the data, domain knowledge is required to transform this data into actionable insights. This knowledge is often spread over different knowledge sources, from subject matter experts to machine design documentation, norms, or laws of physics. Knowledge graphs are an emerging technology that can deal with both challenges. For instance, every question you ask on Google is answered by a knowledge graph. Together with manufacturing companies, Flanders Make is adapting the technology to be applicable in the context of smart and sustainable manufacturing. This opens the door to fast and agile root cause analysis, prediction, and optimization of production parameters. So, instead of asking, "Hey Google, who's the King of Belgium?" you'll be able to ask, "Hey Knowledge Graph, what is causing the defect on my products?"